Hello everyone. Hi, this is Teacher Shane. Welcome back to Shane's Magic Treehouse. I hope everyone's doing great. Today is another great day to learn English. Yeah. So guys, Teacher Shane has 5 new vocabularies that I'm going to teach you right now. Yes, that's right. So those 5 vocabulary words are weather words. And what are those words? Well, let me tell you. Sunny, rainy, windy, snowy, foggy. Yeah, those are the words we are going to say and spell together. So, are you guys ready? Here we go. The first word is rainy. R-A-I-N-Y, rainy. R-A-I-N-Y, rainy. Very good. The next word is windy. W-I-N-D-Y, windy. W-I-N-D-Y, windy. Great job. The next word is sunny. S-U-N-N-Y, sunny. S-U-N-N-Y, sunny. Awesome. Okay, the next word is foggy. F-O-G-G-Y, foggy. F-O-G-G-Y, foggy. The final word is snowy. S-N-O-W-Y, snowy. S-N-O-W-Y, snowy. All right, great job, amazing. We just learned our 5 new vocabulary words, weather words. Yeah. Remember to say the word, spell the word, say the word, spell the word. Great job, everyone. Now it's time for me to go. Remember to spell those words and you will get better in no time. I see you guys again next time, okay? All right, bye-bye.